In this tutorial, I will teach you how to host a video library on Squarespace. To begin with, you will need to create a videos page. This is where all your video content will be housed and organized. You do this by clicking on the Pages option from the home menu, then look for the plus icon and click on it. Under the Collection section, select the Videos option. Moving on, it's time to add your videos to your newly created videos page. Again, locate the plus icon on the new videos page and click on it. You have two options here. Either upload a file directly from your computer or add a link from video hosting platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. It is important to note that for those using free plans, there is a total upload limit of 30 minutes. Therefore, this option is best suited for shorter videos. Now that your videos are uploaded, you need to fill in the video details. This entails adding a title, description, and a custom featured image for each video. The title should be simple and catchy to attract viewers, while the description should provide a succinct summary of what the video is about. The custom featured image sets the visual tone for your video. Make sure it's representative of the content within. Next step is about organization. In order to make it easy for your visitors to navigate through your content, you can add categories to your videos. These categories will allow your visitors to filter and browse your content by topic, ensuring a user-friendly experience. The good news is, this feature is automatically included with a videos page on Squarespace. Finally, you can customize the layout of your videos page according to your needs and preferences. Simply click on the brush icon, which will allow you to edit the layout. Here you can adjust a number of elements, such as the number of columns, spacing, and image placement. By following these steps, you can easily host a video library on Squarespace. Not only does this offer a platform for you to showcase your video content, but it also provides an organized, user-friendly space for your visitors to enjoy and engage with your content. Remember, the key to a successful video library is a combination of high-quality content and a well-structured, navigable layout. Now, go ahead and start creating your own video library on Squarespace. Happy hosting!